Hello there, my name is Zulfikar from Learn Advanced English and welcome to our channels. In today's lessons, I am going to teach you about how to improve your performance for your IELTS readings examinations and how to respond during your IELTS readings test. Okay, first of all, let me explain about how to improve your performance for your IELTS readings examinations. To improve your performance in the IELTS reading test, you need to practice by reading a variety of English texts, which will help you develop the ability to read quickly as required under the test condition. Now it is because the text include all the information that you need to answer the questions of the reading test. So you will not have to use your own knowledge for any topics of the reading test. Now you may have a questions like which part of the English is very helpful for IELTS student. So now here some article is very important for IELTS students such as books, novels, magazines, newspaper, and of course don't forget to read this IELTS officials books. In this books they have well guided, so it's very helpful for every IELTS student. And this book is available in your local library. Now here one thing, if you are preparing for your IELTS exams, please make sure you have finished this IELTS officials books at least 2 times before your exam date. So this is the thing that you need to practice. If you're IELTS students, make sure you did all this. Or if you are doing these articles right now, so I think you are perfect for the exam. So let's move on the second topics, which is about how to respond during your IELTS reading test. In the reading test, it is essential that you are transferring your answer to the answer sheet. If you write on the question papers, don't forget to transfer it to your answer sheet, because you will not be given any extra times to transfer your answer as listening module. And then make sure you have pencils. If you are doing with the pencils, then you are following the fundamentals rules of IELTS exam. So after starting your reading test, you need to look out for any headings or any titles. Is there any special feature such as tables, graphs, italics, capital letter and underline as well? And then make sure you understand the question and follow the instructions very carefully. And then remember how much time you are spending for each page. For example, you are spending more than 20 minutes in the first page, and in the second page you also spending more than 20 minutes. Now for the third page you don't have more times to complete each question, so you need to focus on the timing. Don't try to read every word and don't try to understand, because you are not reading for any purpose. Make sure you are scanning and skimming. If you don't know the answers of a questions, don't stay there. Just move quickly to another question. Don't panic if you don't know the answer, because the answer will be from the text. So just attempt to give a better answer. If you don't understand, it doesn't matter. Just move to another questions. And always check your spelling, because if you mistake one syllables in a single word, you will not be marked, because the readings and the listening sections would be marked according to the official's criteria. And sometimes when you are going to answer some notes, at that times you found, for example, your answer would be leather jackets, but you found in the text jacket made of leather, but your answer should be leather jackets. Now it is because you have there are some limitation words. They will say there are no more than 2 words, no more than 3 words. So at that times you can write more than instruction. And then eventually what I want to say is check your spellings and check your answer. So make sure you are doing all this within an hour. So this is the answer for today's. I think it is very helpful lesson so for you. So if you like to notified in new lessons from our channels, please make sure you subscribe to our channels. So stay safe, see you soon.